Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to change this picture to become this one. As you can see that this picture can be categorized as the surreal and playful miniature because the person itself in the previous picture has been transformed into the mini of her, and also doing the playful thing into or doing playful thing with this noodle. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can access this Gemini AI, and here we will use the Nano Banana. And don't worry, because this Gemini AI can be accessible too with your iOS phone and also the PC or tab. And if you would like to use the Nano Banana, you can also access it with the Google AI Studio. And here I will start to activate the Nano Banana. First, you can click create image, and after that you can start to select a picture from the gallery. For example, I will choose this picture and click done. And the next step is you can start to put the prompt into this section, and don't worry, because we will share this prompt into the description box, and you can tell us or let us know if this prompt also work for you in the another version. And basically the prompt would be like this: create the surreal and playful miniature scene where a person appears tiny and interacting with the giant bowl of noodle, and the noodles are lifted by chopstick, and the small person is hanging on or climbing on the noodle as if on a rope, and the bowl is filled with spicy ramen topped with chili, sesame, and green onions, with steam rising naturally. Use the dramatic lighting with a dark background to emphasize the contrast and make the scene look cinematic and sharp and vibrant. The overall mood should be fun, imaginative, and high quality, like a creative AI art photo. And after that, you can continue to click generate down here and kindly wait for the output. And don't worry, guys, because I have tried this before, and the result will be like this. And after that you can continue to download it, and it will be saved into your gallery. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try this prompt into your version, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.